friends, it's just me, Arlisha, aka Lady Lagata, just in Chicago. Don't be fooled about the beautiful sunshine in Chicago. It is cold outside. I just thought I would come out of here to allow you to see a little bit of what's going on in the garden as a result of the winter. And I thought maybe it would just kind of help you to just get a view of how Chicago winters are and how some plants survive the winter and how some die off and will return and how some will come back. So just let you see a little bit of this. So here is my white spruce. It's really green, but it has white hue, and as you can see, it played a role of our Christmas tree, and it also has been with me for a couple of years. It came to me in winter last year. It's grown bigger. I have some videos on it as it's grown bigger. So, and also take a look at my other shrub that I got this, that was actually fall, and see how he's still surviving in this very cold weather. Here's another Christmas tree that I've had. He's a pine. He's a spruce, but he's not a white spruce. And he has survived with me for the last, I think, almost 3.5 seasons. These guys here have lasted for that amount too. They're shrubs. As you can see, this one does not, and this is my Japanese meadow sweet. If you go back and look at the videos, you can see that. And you can see it has not survived. It survived. It just lost its leaves. It'll be back again in the summer, really the spring. And as you can see, this is another one of this is my berry bush. It's doing fine in this weather. And this is my blue Colorado spruce that I got. That's kind of in the in autumn. I mean, in the autumn season. And you can see he's doing fine. As you can see, my hostas has lost all its leaves. It will be growing those leaves back. And my sockeyed daisy loses all its leaves in the winter, but it will be back growing nice and flourishing in the summer and in the fall. And I will show you that as we come along. Some of the other plants won't be back. I had petunias here, and I had dahlias and other I think geraniums. The geraniums might be back and visit us, but we will see. So just letting you see what's going on my porch for my winter garden. Not a whole lot of plants survive, but you'll find that your pine and your spruce does. So this is Lady Lagata. I'm out. I'm your divine diva. Have a blessed day, beautiful soul.